Salve, Misty. Little Misty. Anyways, people are always asking me, since I'm an organic vegetarian, how to make my sauce. And you can see, if you can see that label, and it says 10 milligrams sodium per serving. But anyways, this is what it looks like before you mix it. As you can see, that on top is the coconut, organic coconut butter. Then under that is organic chia seeds, about 2 tablespoons. And you see how that's like a flour. Basically, you want to do all of this stuff and layer it. So I start with the layer of organic ginger. Then I go with organic garlic. Then I go with organic turmeric. So that's all going to be layered all the way onto the corners. And then even the organic black pepper I do all the way. So you'll see all the corners, it'll have all of that. You know, the light's not too good. And then I add organic red pepper, which usually takes the longest. Crushed organic red pepper. I add a fair amount of that. Then I add a little bit of organic basil. I add a lot of organic cilantro, which is going to help you because it's really spicy. And then I have a little bit of organic parsley, a little bit of organic thyme, and very, very, very little organic sage, because you want to be careful with that. So this is basically my pasta one, and then you can see it's red, kinda. Well, not really, but well, when it's done, it's going to be like orange. It's going to kind of look like a penne alla vodka. And I'm going to use this one for organic stuffed shells, and a lot of times I use it for organic fusilli, which you might know as narutos or rotelli or spirals or wheels or something like that. It's like the spiraled organic pasta, So, but anyways, when this mixes up, it'll look a lot better than it does now. But that kind of gives you the idea, and it helps if the organic coconut butter is kind of a little more liquefied sometimes. And if you have a warm zone on your oven, it's going to make it a lot easier. But here's just a quick look, and good luck. It usually takes about 30 minutes to blend, so good luck if you try making it. Right, Misty? Tell him, Misty. Good luck.